Hello, welcome to a new video. An effective routine can help you to manage your day and your time effectively, and it can make your life more easier. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Get up around 6 a.m. in the morning, and it's important to get out of the bed as soon as you open your eyes. Don't forget to make your bed. Making your bed will give you a positive or a good start to your day. After that, do your brushing, have a glass of water, and go outside and spend some time with the rising sunlight. You can stand at your balcony or garden. After that, take any one subject and study for 30 to 45 minutes. Then it's time to get ready for school and go with a happy mind and enjoy your school days. After coming from school, don't forget to spend some time to play your favorite sport or game. Then fresh up and eat anything light and do your homework. If possible, you can complete your homework at your school itself. After that, study all your subjects or make a study plan and study accordingly. We will post the study plan soon. Then eat your dinner with your family and spend some time with your family. Then brush your teeth and get ready for sleep. Before going to bed, take a notebook and note down how was your day and plan for the next day. Then go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the video. Let me know your suggestion in the comment box and on our Instagram page, The Study Centurion. Thanks for watching.